Hey YouTube, so this is my garlic patch. They were planted last October and it's been around 8 months now. This is the end of May and they're starting to turn brown, so it's about time to harvest. So I'm going to dig up a few of them and see what they look like. There's actually two varieties in there. On the left side, which is from here on that side, that's the elephant garlic. And then on the other side of that, on the right side, that's a different variety of garlic, just the store-bought one. Some of them are starting to go dry, so let's dig some up and see what they look like. Okay. So here's two that are falling over. So I'll dig them up and I think they're about ready. Most of them have already gone brown. The scapes are the flower stalks, and they came up sometime in April, and I cut them off so that it would send all this energy down to the bulb. And I'll dig this two up first. These are just the regular garlic, and then the back there's some elephant garlic that I want to dig up as well. So that's coming up pretty easily. And so it looks like I might have waited too long for this one. The outer skin is kind of all disintegrated, so all we're getting is the cloves inside, and you can see that some of the cloves are starting to turn color here, so this is a little bit too late for this one. But in terms of overall size, it's still pretty good size for that garlic. It's been, like I said, 8 months. Let's try the other one. Get some of the dirt off. Okay, and this one still has the outer skin on it, so I'll dry it pretty nicely. A little bit smaller than the other one, but at least it's still got its protective coating on it. You can hear it kind of cracking in there. It's pretty dry in there. Let me try the elephant garlic, which is this one here. Now this one is actually I planted a lot deeper because it's a larger clove. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so it's pretty. Hopefully you guys can see that. Oh. I'm gonna go a little further away. I don't want to cut into it. Okay, so you're starting to see the bulb down there, and again, it's pretty deep. It's about 6 inches in. Looks like it might be pretty decent size. That's not too bad. It's elephant garlic, so it's pretty big. The smell's pretty good on this one. I think I'll look around and start digging through the other ones too. It's about time to harvest. It's the end of the last week of May right now, so let me finish digging out the other ones and I'll show you what I have.